first ride in Philippines. I got picked up by Daniel and Mary Kay. And they have a cat, yeah, 3-year-old son. Very cute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Salamat.
Is the McDo?
Uh, well, not this one, but okay. Yeah, I'm at the San Juanico Bridge, and now it's under construction, so we have to wait. Yeah, and of course there are many people waiting because it's just a one way. Alright, boys, this is the longest bridge in the Philippines. It's about 3 kilometers something. Yeah, yeah, the longest one. Yeah. Got it around, got it. Putang mo. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Philippines what? Philippines what? Say it. Philippines number one, say it all together, all together. Philippines number one, say it all together.
Yes.
Say it, Philippines.
Hey, sir, count the time.
Yeah, I'll count 1, 2, 3. Well, they didn't go right, but yeah. Yo, it's pretty hot today, so I bought all of them some Coca-Cola. Cheers. Very friendly kids. Let's go. Oh, they drive bunch of coconut. Not sure what they use for. Comment if you know what. Little snacks along the way. Hi, let's go. It started to rain and I found a lot, like a small one. But yeah, maybe I'll stay here for a while waiting for the rain to finish. But I'm not sure if this one can, can like stand for the rain. I'm not sure because it's a little bit drifty over there. Maybe I'll try to ask some people around here for a place to camp. Think so, because yeah, this place probably there no hotel. So that's the plan. But let's just wait for a while because now it's like 4:30 p.m. So we'll see. Yo boys, I'm here with Felicito, the captain of captain of barangay, and I just asked him for approval to stay at the hall, and he said yes. That's really nice. Thank you so much. Salamat. Yo, I'm at the barangay hall, and the captain let me to stay here for the night. He got me a place to sleep. Great man, and I should take a bath right there. We have a toilet right here, and oh, on the other side is this. This is the school, and yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I just take a look. And they're still playing basketball. Yeah, really nice to meet you, Kingbang. All together.
Up here.
Okay. go, boys. First ride of the day. Yeah, it's raining. Raining, boys. Oh, it's raining. For real. I think. It's noon now, and I just lie down by the road, having a short rest. Just look at this view. How beautiful it is. Yo, I'm here with Marvin.
Go.
He just got me a coca. So that's really nice of him because now it's like, you see, I think it's like 1 p.m. right? Yeah, it's still very hot outside. So basically got me one coca and thank you so much. Yo, Marvin took me for a ride. But we have to wait because it's like one way over there. They keep maintaining the road. Let's go. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, so I'm here with
Ma.
Mr. Randy. He has a small restaurant right here, and he also offered me some apple cheese.
Apple gin.
Apple cheese, yes, tastes really good and smell really good.
Bunuluan.
Smell good. Really nice of you. Thank you so much, Mr. Randy. Yes, very good.
Very good.
Yes. See ya. Peace.